Welcome to PR Boost. So you got that new idea for your SaaS company, or you've just launched your software as a service. Congratulations. And you're thinking, hey, how can I make sure this software is established? How can I make sure that people are really excited to use it? They know it's a good software and that they're confident to get them results. When you're starting out, it's tough. And especially as a dev, maybe you're not thinking about marketing, but then it hits you. Well, I've made a great software, or I'm part of a team that's made a great software, but I need to get it out there. Maybe you're a company owner, but how do you do that? Well, you could run ads, send emails, do cold DMs, all that type of stuff, even do sales calls. But the best way to build up credibility is with press releases. We can do that right here with the power of PR Boost. You can have the As Seen On badge for Yahoo, Business Insider, and Zynga, Fox 40, Newsnet, Google News. It can all be here, and you can become the next software sensation, because this is marketing that not only gets results, but will get your software seen by people on multiple different press releases. So they'll say, hey, I see the As Seen On Fox 40. This must be a good software. Google News, this must be the next best thing. I can't miss out on this. And just to show you, Israel, over 200 websites, 20 plus professionals in a team, over 1,000 satisfied clients. And the big thing is getting traffic. Now, I can't guarantee sales or anything like that, but we can guarantee that people will see you as the authority when they land on that page. 80 million monthly visitors. So how do we do it? Just like this individual here looking snazzy, we go ahead and maximize your brand exposure with those articles, as each publication serves as a landing page, gets qualified buyers to your website. They see As Seen On Yahoo, As Seen On Fox 4, As Seen here. And they're like, wow, they've done very well. And how does that help? Well, it boosts search rankings. You get organic traffic from Google. Let's face it, if you're not on the first page, people might not see you and they'll be wondering. So how does it work? You make a payment, you get your story crafted, then we publish your story on news websites, then you receive the information that you need. Then why would you use PR Boost? You get helpful support, you get SEO experts, you get the big thing is the As Seen On Trust badge. And then also industry reading reports, the SEO stats. It's absolutely going to crush it. And we have experienced writers. They're not just using ChatGPT prompts. They know what they're doing. We've been on Trustpilot, Reviews.io, Product Hunt. We make it happen. Now, you can start at the starting success for as low as $297. Get on 200 news sites, which is still amazing exposure. 23 million monthly readers, and Zynga, Digital Journal, Street Insider. But if you want to up the ante, you can at $497 with Benzinga, Digital, Street Insider, Bar Chart, The Global Mail. Right. And Business, $697. Business, Yahoo. Imagine saying As Seen On Yahoo. They're going to say that is top-notch software. I don't know what it is even, but it's top-notch. And they use it and they're like, wow, this is amazing. CEOCA, The Globe Mail as well, and then Business Pro, Morningstar, Market Watch. You're going to be the next Zuckerberg or Gates, maybe. I don't know, but it's going to be exciting when 518 million monthly readers check this out. So it'll be seen as the authority, and you can see all of our packages here. You just click on Order Now or up top, and we also have the best testimonials here from entrepreneurs, and we can see here real clients, amazing Trustpilot reviews. Visibility I gained for PR Boost has been invaluable to my business. Life-changing experience. I can't thank the company enough. All right, so how do you get rolling on this? So let's say I want the brand booster. I like it. I click order, then I click payment, put in my details, agree, all that stuff. Then I continue. Then you can either pay with your card or Google Pay, complete the order. Game changer, as we can see right here. PR partner we've been looking for. Everybody's happy, and you will too as a new software as a service owner or someone even who's experienced. You can get the exposure that you deserve right here at PR Boost. All you have to do is take the jump to become the authority. Very exciting. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to know when I post more videos. Questions or comments, let me know down below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.